1.3 Writing Systems and Pronunciations. Different language just use different type of writing. The system of Egyptian hieroglyphics was based on using a picture or symbol known as an ideogram, pictogram, or logogram to represent most words. Logograms looks like the objects represented, so possible logograms for the words books and leg could be those shown in figure 1.1. However, logograms do not give any clues to the way the word is pronounced, although in the hieroglyphic system order examples logogram for book and leg symbols did help with pronunciation. Therefore, this type of system, known as a meaning based on logographic system, requires thousands of symbols in order to represent all the words in a language. Most purely logographic systems have now died out, but many Chinese characters or logograms modified over the years to look quite different now to the objects they represent. In contrast, sound based on alphabetic writing systems to try to represent the pronunciation of each word. However, some languages represent sounds more consistently in their spellings systems than others. In some languages, like Italian, a word's spelling corresponds more or less exactly to its pronunciation. In Italian, the word for book is libro and leg is gamba, where all the letters are pronounced with a fairly consistent value. Although even here there is not a strict one-to-one correspondence of sound and letters. However, this letter-to-sound consistency is less the case in English, as we can see just by looking at the two words we have used above. The B in book can be silent in other words like depth. The O make a different sound in food in most accent. The K can be silent in words like knight. Similarly for leg, the L can be silent in the word like calf, and the E can make a different sound in words like pretty, and the G can make a different sound in words like George. Because the English language has been influenced by many other languages throughout its history, and because all languages change over time, the English spelling system is not always a good guide to pronunciation. Of course, English words usually give a fair indication of at least part of words pronunciation, which is why we can read aloud words that are new to us. But there are also many inconsistencies which we will now investigate. Note that angled brackets surround letters. We will look at more types of brackets as we will work through the book.